Yo, what's up? How you doing? So we have a question right here. So this is more of the inequality. Oh, excuse me. So, oh, I got it. So inequalities. We're gonna have to solve this question. They say solve for value of x in the following inequality. Easy. So what you're gonna do? Let me not waste a lot of time. I can just go straight to the business. So I'm gonna tag these. Oh, so we got 3x plus 2 less. This is less. This less or equal. You see? Less or equal. This is greater and this greater or equal. You know what I'm saying? So now 3x plus 2 is less than 6x minus 4. This is less than, less or equal than, and this is greater than, like the derivation of that one, greater than, greater or equal than, or equal than. Okay, now, so what we're gonna do, tag this x to the back. So you gotta go to your friend x. So here 3x minus 6x, because this is plus. When you go over, it's negative. Minus, when there's no sign, means it's plus. So we left with -8, so I'm going to write my -8, and this is positive 2. You know what I'm saying? Remember, when you look at your number, the sign of a number is always on the left. That's how there's no sign here, it's positive. See, the sign of a number is on the left. So we take this to the right, it's positive. When you go over, inequality sign is going to become negative. 3x minus 6x is -3x. We got less, -8 minus 2 equal to -10. So now we want to get the value of x. How are we going to get x? Divide by -3 and divide by -3. So these and these cancel. So x, remember, in the inequality, when you divide by the negative, the inequality changes the direction. So you see, it was less than, but since I divide by negative, only when you divide by negative, so the direction of this is going to change. It's going to become greater because it was less. And then negative and negative positive, 10/3. So only it changed because the inequality, you divide by negative. But if it was positive number, let's say divide by 3, no, it's just gonna stay. Then we have it was. So you just change the direction because of division by negative. So option 2. Option 2. You know what I'm saying? It's our answer. Now let's come for this one. Consider the following inequality for x plus 6 minus 3z less or equal to 11. So they say the sage of the following value, which value is going to satisfy this inequality. So what we're going to do, we're going to have to test, okay? We take this value, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to 9, and etc., etc., and plug in here to see which one is going to be less than 11. So now let's start for the first one. You know what I'm saying? So x equal to 1 means here is going to be 4. X is 1 plus 6 minus 3. Let me check first. Is it 6 or 6y? 6y, my apologies. It's 6y. Copy wrong here. So 6 and then y. What is the y? Y equal to 2 and then minus 3. Now what is our z? Z equal to 9. So we want to see if it's going to be less or equal to 11. Now 4 times 1 is 4, so it's 4 plus 6 times 2 equal to 12, and then minus 27 because 3 times 9. Now this is 16 minus 27. 16 minus 27 is -9. Is -9 less or equal to -11? Which is bigger? Is it true -9 is less? No, it's not true. -9 is bigger because look, if you have a number line like this, this is 0. So you got -1, -2. The number which is close to 0 for negative side, these are bigger number. So the more you go further, if somebody have -5, this is smaller number. You know what I'm saying? This is a smaller number, but for negative side, not for the positive. For positive, the more you go right, the number get bigger. Means if you have a 10 and somebody have a 2, 10 is bigger. But in reverse, for negative, the more you go to the negative side, the more it gets smaller. You know what I'm saying? That's why this is bigger than this. So they say, according to here, it says -9 is less. It's not true. You know what I'm saying? -9 is bigger than -11. So it's not true. So it's not true. The first option. Okay, now we go for the second one. The second one, second option, we want to test also and substitute the value. So let's substitute the value now. Okay, x equal 25. So we're going to say 4 times 25 because 4x. 4 times 25 equals 100. Now we come plus plus. 6 times y, 6 times 8, 48 minus. 3 times 1 because 3 times 8, 3 times 1 equals to 3. We want to see if it's going to be less than 11. Now let's calculate. 100 plus 480, 148 minus 3, 145. Is 145 less than negative 11? Hell no. This number is bigger. You know what I'm saying? This number is 145 is less than negative 11. No, it's not true. Negative 45 is bigger. It should be like this. You know what I'm saying? So that's not true. Now we go for number 3, option 3. So for option 3, so you know what I'm saying? So now we go for option 2. No, because when you take 25, like I say, go to 100, 106 times 8 for 80. So remember we add 100 for 80 minus 3 times 1, 3, 145. 145 is not, or in other words, is greater, is bigger. It's supposed to be like this, so it's not true. This one, you know what I'm saying? Now let's go for the last one. For the last one, x equal to 1 means 4 times 1 equal to 4. Now we go plus y. Y 6 times 1 equal to 6 minus 3 times 80. 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equal to 24. So we want to see if this number is less than negative 11. So now 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 10 minus 24 equal to negative 14. Is negative 14 less or equal to negative 11? It's true. This number is smaller. Because if you go to the number line, if I'm here, this is 0. I'll start to see negative 11, which is bigger. And then I go further to the left, I'll see negative 14. So negative 14 is smaller, is less than negative 11. The third one is true. Option 3 is true. But now if I go to the option, I don't see, so I want to check again the face one. The face option. Maybe I made some little mistake. The face option. So let's take the face option. So the first option again, x equal to 1. Is x equal to 1? Oh yeah. So 4 times 1 equals 4, and then plus. Y equal to 2. 6 times 2 equal to 12. Minus. Okay? Z equal to 9. 3 times 9 equal to 27. Less or equal to negative 11. Now we go. This equals 16 minus 27. Is it less than? We want to see if it's going to be less than negative 11. Okay, 16. Oh my god. 16 minus 27, okay, so 27 minus 16 is going to be 11. So 11 less or equal to negative 11. Negative 11. This is negative 11 here and this is negative 11. Oh yeah, because negative 11 is not smaller, but it could be smaller or equal. Less or equal, yes. So option 1 is true. I was wrong. So this option is true because negative 11 is not smaller, but is equal. So this one has, proved to us that yeah, it could be equal. So man, listen, that's how you solve this equation. If you're the first time on my channel, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, click the music below, watch my music, you know what I'm saying? So thanks a lot for your time, you feel me? So that's how we solve. Thanks a lot of peace and love. Peace.